Welcome, Stoic enthusiasts. Today, we explore a topic related to our daily lives, relationships. We are going to derive from the eternal teachings of Stoicism about 9 principles a wise man should incorporate into life with respect to relationships. Before we get into today's video, put your scarf on and subscribe to our channel if you appreciate a mindset that survives the test of time and emotion. Give us a thumbs up for this video. Now, let's dive into the 9 principles that wise men must avoid with women through Stoic eyes. 1. Personalize your history. The past is an integral part of your life journey, therefore it cannot be shared in its entirety. Oversharing entails a risk, for the information that is divulged becomes fodder for judgment or manipulation. Nietzsche once said that past notions are roads into the present. Therefore, share only what is worthy and significant. Your story is sacred and, like a fine jewel, ought to be guarded. 2. Confront the fear of being alone. In Aristotle's words, knowing thyself is the beginning of all wisdom. In a state of emergency, one is forced into choices regarding relationships which ought to have been thoughtfully considered. To be by yourself does not mean to be lonely. Make the best of times alone in order to get to know yourself. When choosing a partner, do so because they enrich your life and not because you are trying to escape being alone. 3rd, time is yours to peruse. Seneca's words, "It's not that our lives are short, but that we waste too much of it," are worth remembering here. You should never invest the majority of your time engrossed in thoughts concerning someone else to the detriment of your development. Rather, invest time in things that matter to you. 4. Celebrate your achievements. Epictetus attached immense importance to self-respect. Never get so engrossed in winning praise from outside that you fail to praise yourself. Every little step is a victory toward your bigger goal and an achievement worthy of a celebration. Building confidence through the recognition of achievements and personal progress leads to a sense of fulfillment in life. 5. Protect your mental well-being. Protecting your mental health is paramount. If not for your own sake, then for your protection, your peace of mind is paramount. Once, in a metaphor, someone had compared protecting mental health to the act of burning your house just to keep someone else warm. This cannot be more correct. Protecting your peace of mind is very much similar to protecting a person from an illusionary disappointment. Sacrifice this not for anything. Mental fortitude is the cornerstone from which everything else will grow with some foundation. 6. Stay true to yourself. Staying with no is the best thing to do. According to Albert Camus, the full function of responsibility is on the individual over and above himself. The idea to say yes to things disliked is to put on the mask suffocating one's individuality. Live authentically and unapologetically. You are the star of your story, not a supporting character in someone else's. 7. Don't sacrifice your path for others. Seneca said it great. To try to be everywhere is to be nowhere. There is no need to alter your life in order to meet the expectations of others. Forcing yourself into the wrong pair of shoes is painful and quite unnecessary. Every step towards conformity takes you away from your goals. Make your own journey and become rooted in your own aspirations. Hold your head high as you walk your own path. 8. Be mindful of friends and family. According to Plato, the type of person you are determines whether you cultivate the soil of another person, and that can either further or hinder their growth. Never compromise your relationships with your foundational people for the sake of a romantic partner. Friends and relatives are your support system. Cherish and nurture them, for they are vital to your own emotional and personal growth. 9. Avoid obsessive devotion. Marcus Aurelius warned against getting so wrapped up in other people. This fixation has a potential to throw your inner equilibrium off balance and blind you to your worth. An obsessive focus on anybody else is like a satellite locked in orbit where you lose sight of your dreams and your individuality. Take back your freedom and shine as brightly as your own star. You are not a shadow living by someone else's dictates. You are the author of your story. Thank you for joining us in the discussion about Stoicism in relationships. These principles are not about imposing some rigid rules. Instead, they serve to develop the way of thinking that allows one to rise above the hurdles of everyday life. By putting those timeless teachings into practice, you'll be able to create relationships that balance respect, understanding, and mutual growth. If this discussion piqued your interest, please like, share, and subscribe for more inspiration and enriching content in your life. Share your insights and questions in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.